What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy Fatkat, of course, bringing you another one, man. Hey, I just realized that I didn't give you guys the unboxing of the other thing that I got going on for my 1,000 subscriber milestone modification. I never showed you guys the unboxing of what that was going to be. So of course, man, let's go ahead and do that right now. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this unboxing, show you guys what that is, and then of course, as you guys know me, or you guys don't know really yet because you haven't seen the first one yet, but I always have one thing or whatever that I'm going to tell you guys, and then I got a couple other little things that's going to be sprinkled in. You got to kind of, you know, that you have to stay tuned for, you know, to see the whole full reveal of what I'm going to be doing. But this is pretty much the major piece that I'm going to show you guys, and then obviously I'm going to do, you know, one or two other little things in there that, you know, just to bring it all together or whatever, right, and show you guys the whole full reveal once it's all said and done. But anyway, so let's do this unboxing, and then I got a couple errands to run, and then I'm gonna go buy unique rides to remember I was telling you guys I'm gonna go clean off my wheels front and back and everything else to make sure that they're spick and span for when they're ready to go back onto the car. So we're gonna do the unboxing. Got a couple errands to run. I'm not gonna show you guys all that. That's gonna be kind of boring. And then we're gonna go buy unique rides so that I can clean my wheels and everything else. So I'll show you guys some of that as well, and hopefully get an update on the progress of the car itself. So let's do that, man. So let's get into it. All right, man. So as you guys can see, man, it is from Stainless Works, man. There you go. So you know it has something to do with the motor performance or exhaust or something like that, right? So let's go and open it up, man, and see what it is. All right, man, so let's see what we got in the box. Oh, gave me a shirt. That's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, man, look at that. Look at that. Now, if you guys know what this is, you guys should pretty much already know what it is, man. Sent that. Got the other pieces here. Got the clamps. Oh man. And there you go, baby. So as you guys can see in the box, you got the left one, right? Left, and the right one down there. So if you don't know what this is as of yet, man, these are catless mid pipes. So there you go. So as you guys know, man, or as you guys can see, the very next thing is gonna be going in the car. This is catless mid pipes. But like I said, I always have a little, you know, one or two extra little things in there that I don't tell you guys about. So make sure you guys stay tuned. So these are gonna go in the car as soon as I get my car back from unique rides. As soon as I get it back, I'm gonna take it out, you know, take it down to the muffler shop. A very reputable guy around my area. I'm gonna take it down to him so we can get these installed with, again, one or two other extra little goodies, man. So there we go, man. Let's go. And you know what? I forgot that I didn't even show you guys my rental car, man. So this is what I'm driving around for the next couple of days. Well, I've been driving around for the last 2 days, basically, until Friday. I'll be driving this Challenger around. Even though it's, you know, it's not a Hemi, it's not a V8 or anything like that, but I at least had to keep it in the Mopar family, man. So this is my rental car for the next, or until I pick up my car. So let's go to hop in this, man. I'm gonna go, like I said, I'm gonna go and run my errands, and then I'm gonna go down to Unique Rides. So we'll see you guys when we get there, man. All right, guys, we just pulled up to Unique Rides, man. Like I said, I'm gonna go get my wheels now and clean them up. As you can see, they getting one done out there, that RS7. Woof, thing is nasty. They have parts coming from Germany, I believe, to finish that up. So it's one of the ball players, I think, around town. So I'm not gonna say which one, but Nasty R7 right there. Anyway, so yeah, man. So I'm gonna get my wheels and clean them up a little bit. See if I get a sneak peek too, as far as how my car is coming along. We'll see. Let the man go right there, Gabe.
What's up, bro?
What's going on, man? Nothing, chilling. How's everything?
Good, busy and blessed.
That's what's up, man. So this man doesn't like to be on camera, but I'm gonna force him to be on camera today, because you guys gotta know the man, you know, the man behind everything, man, who make everything happen. Like I said, a lot of people go to this guy. I've heard about him probably like 2-3 years now, but I just never ever you know had a chance to go actually see him. So now, like I said, I got the chance to do it. I came for sure to go to come see him, and he's been nothing but humble and great customer service and everything else, man. So
appreciate the love, man.
Yeah, no problem. You want to let them know, you know, exactly what you do here and who your clientele is and everything else?
We got about 50 NFL clients that come to us across the country. Got about 25 MLB players, continuous players come to us. Been in the league about 14 years in the industry. From audio, video, interior, exterior, performance, you name it, we do it. We can't do it, we know the right person to get it done at. So, like it's on Instagram, Facebook, Unique Rides. Be unique, get unique.
There you go. And it's gonna be on the bottom of the description, as you guys know. It's gonna be on the bottom of the page. Like I said, he used to work at another place. Like I said, that's why I used to hear from. We're not gonna name the place, but but like I said, I've always heard his name, and I always say, man, this is the guy you want to go to. And then, like I said, when it came around that, you know, oh, he got a phone call, so I'll go out here. But yeah, so when it came down to, you know, that I needed to get mine done, man, this is the only place I could go to, like I said. And he's been, I mean, it's been a great experience. They're taking care of me, basically, if you want to put it like that, man. Like I said, he do a bunch of NFL players, a bunch of MLB players and everything else, man. Hockey players and everybody, you know, all the professional guys coming over here. So, you know, so with that being said, it's not the cheapest, but at the end of the day, you get what you pay for, man. Simple as that. All right, that's all you get. That's all you get. God damn, I'm hot now, man. It was cold as hell this morning for Tampa weather. Like 50 degrees, 40 degrees, but it's like 80 something degrees now. So anyway, kind of hot, but you guys seen it, man. I cleaned off all 4 wheels, man, so it should be ready to go when they go back on the car. So, all right, Gabe, man, appreciate it, bro.
All right, man.
I'll be back tomorrow.
Sounds good.
Well, whenever you
pick up day tomorrow.
Pick up day tomorrow.
Yep.
So you guys
for the weekend.
So you guys will see it here. Pick up day tomorrow. We'll come do the reveal, man. All right, man.
All right,
you want to let them know anything else?
That's it, man.
That's it, man.
Well, like I said on Instagram and Facebook, Unique Rides.
As you know, it's gonna be on the bottom of the screen. His slogan, as he always says, he's decorating the streets.
That's it.
And it's true, man.
All
right, bro. We see you tomorrow, man.
All right.
All right, guys. We are back home, back where we started this morning. Been a long day, man. Been a long day. Had a lot of things to do. Got a lot taken care of as well. Just got back home. Gave my wife her Valentine's Day gift. She loved it. She started crying or tearing or whatever. So always remember that, man. No matter what you're going through, or not going through, but no matter what you're doing, no matter what you're trying to strive for and all that, make sure you take a little bit of time out for the family, for your wife, for your significant other, your spouse, whoever. Make sure you show them they're also important, even though you're trying to strive and do other things and you got other things going on or whatever the case. Don't forget about what's important in life, man. So when it comes to your kids, your wife, like I said, your spouse, your husband, even if it's just, your boyfriend or your girlfriend or whatever the case, whoever you got significant other in your life, man, make sure you show them. And like I said, even more importantly, your kids, if you have any, make sure, and even if you don't have kids, man, I mean your mother, your father, whoever, man, whoever you have that's important in your life, make sure you show them their importance. You know what I'm saying? Don't just have it be all work, and then you totally forget about the mag, because trust me, that's a recipe for disaster, man. So anyway, so I ended up giving her you know, her flowers and her gift, and you know, everything else, her favorite cupcakes from this gourmet place that we go to. So you know, so everything was all good with that. Like I said, she kind of teared up a little bit, so it's all good, man. So I know she liked it. But anyway, with that being said, man, there we go again. I gotta stop saying that, but at least I only said it once this time. So with that, man, like I said, we had a full day today. I should be getting the car tomorrow, right? So once I get it, I'll show you guys the reveal and everything else, man, and we're gonna keep going. Like I said, as soon as I get that, I'm gonna go ahead and go over to the next spot and put what you guys seen as far as the catless mid pipes. And like I said, we got a couple other little goodies gonna go in there as well, man. So as always, man, make sure you guys hit that like button, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys hit that notification bell, because trust me, you do not want to miss what's going to happen next, man, because as you're going to keep going, man, it's going to keep going, man. This car, like I said, my goal for this car is to be literally the best car, or the best Scat Pack anyway, on YouTube, man, period. So the journey's just begun, man. We just getting started, but you know, we got a long way to go, but trust me, man, we're going to get there. So make sure you guys hit that notification bell, man, because you don't want to miss it. Trust me, you want to go along this journey with me, man. Anyway, so with that, man, appreciate you guys for checking in on the channel, man. As you know, I'm your boy Fatkat, and of course, man, we see you guys later, man.